Okay, hi everybody. This is the Math 20-1 Trigonometry review. This is question 34A. We're supposed to find all possible measures of C in each of the following here. Okay, so this is indicating the presence of the ambiguous case in this problem here. So let's just take a quick look here. To solve this, we've got angle A and little a, and then little c here. So we're going to use the sine law here. We're going to set up the ratio 4.5 over the sine of 31 degrees will equal 4.9 over the sine of c. Okay, that's just based on the information that we're given. So cross multiply and divide. It's going to get us that the sine of c is going to equal 4.9 times the sine of 31 degrees all over 4.5. Now, I'm going to evaluate the decimal here, 4.9 times the sine of 31 divided by 4.5. Okay, so we're going to get a ratio of 0.5608. Now, to solve this equation right here, I have to remember that this the sine ratio is positive here. This could be a quadrant 1 angle, or it could be a quadrant 2 angle, which means angle C. Now if I take the inverse sine, okay, of that ratio right there, I'm going to get that this could be 34 degrees, or it could be 180 minus 34 degrees, 146. Now the thing is, it might look like that's the answer to this question right there. There's the two possible angles here. But that's not quite true. Because I have to look at the possibilities here. So what we got to look at here is angle A. Now, no matter how you cut it, angle A is 31. Okay, angle C at this point could be 34 degrees, or C could be. Sorry, I was going to write angle B there, but angle C could be 146 degrees. Now, I have two options here as long as angle B makes sense in both cases. Now, in this case here, if you just subtract 31 and 34 from 180, you're going to get that B is 115 degrees. Okay, which, I mean, you can tell right away that that was going to work. That wasn't the problem. So what I got to do here is I got to subtract 31 and 146 from 180 to see what's left here. And B is equal to 3 degrees. Now, that's still okay. That's really small, but that's still okay, which means both of those angles for C are possible solutions.